Well, that didn't go as planned.
What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to be trying to make this spearhead that I made out of foam, coated it with wall plaster. So let's bring you down closer to the table and I'll go over what I did, what I'm about to do, and how we're going to make it. Let's go. All right, guys, before we get into how and what and where and whatever with this thing, let me just show you what I'm going to be doing in a future project. This is the Witch King of Angmar from Lord of the Ring. This is their flail. So I'm going to hopefully cast this in solid aluminum in the future. This is still a process that I'm working on, still working on the foam pattern. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and stick around for that future video. Now, as far as today's video goes, I carved all these pieces out of 4.8 millimeter foam, and you can see the first two here. This is the first two that I started with. Those are these two pieces, and then I glued on each one of these little pieces inside of it. So what this is going to be the spear end, or the spear threaded end. This is where I'm going to thread in the broomstick. You can see here, if this works properly. I'm not really sure. I've never done it like this before. I'm going to bury this in sand. Actually, first I should mention, after making this out of foam, I then coated it with a thinner, medium thickness layer of wall plaster. So once the wall plaster is all dried, then you'll fill it with sand in a large container, which I'll show you that in a little bit. But with the sand, I'm going to fill the inside of that with sand as well. And hopefully the aluminum will just go down the foam and burn the foam and not ruin the center. I'm not sure. I've never done it like this before. We're going to find out today. So when it's all done, hopefully I'll be able to just thread this into a solid aluminum spearhead. So let's get right to burying this in sand, melting some metal, and casting this, and hopefully it's going to work. Cross your fingers, guys. I'm adding this little piece of foam on top of the pattern into the pouring basin. I'm doing this to try to slow down the aluminum and have more of a uniform flow down the pattern and try not to disrupt the sand. While I wait for that to cool down, guys, let me just show you some of the other cool videos that I've done in the past that I think you will enjoy. So when you're done this video, head over to the videos and check them out. I think you'll like them. Well, I have no idea what happened to the sand that was in the center and what happened to the plaster coating that I put on the inside, because that is solid aluminum. So I'm not going to be able to connect that to the broomstick as I planned, so I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. I could just hold it in my hand like that, and that's pretty cool. If I need to use a self-defense weapon, here it is. But I want to hear from you guys. What do you guys think? What can I do with this? How can I fasten this to a pole, or I could, do the old-fashioned way and just tie it up to a stick? I guess that's what they used to do back in the old days. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you guys think I should do to it. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next video.